I want to show you how to make an apple crumble brioche. It sounds good, it looks good, and you know it tastes good. Start with your brioche. I've got all my dry ingredients, and then I'm going to add in eggs, milk, and vanilla. And we need on low speed for 5 minutes. Increase the speed to medium, then we're going to add in our cold butter, a piece at a time until it's all incorporated. And once you've added all the butter, just knead for another 10 minutes. You'll have a smooth dough that you want to improve in an oiled bowl for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, you just want to knock the air out of the dough, reshape it into a ball, and then put it in the fridge overnight. The next day, we take our chilled dough and we cut it into 100-gram pieces. We're going to roll that dough out into a rough disc the same size as our ring molds and then carefully lift it in. We're going to put a little bit of boiling water into the oven and prove these for 2 to 3 hours. For the apple compote, we're going to go for a fine dice on the apple. We want something like a Braeburn, and then you're going to add that into your pan along with your spices, sugar, and lemon juice. We're going to cook this for about 5 to 10 minutes, just adding little bits of water at a time until we have a thick, sticky mixture like this. For the crumble, we've got flour, almonds, brown sugar, butter, and lemon zest. We're going to work that with our hands until it forms a crumble. And then we stick it in the freezer. By now, your dough should have proved. You can see just how much it's risen. We're going to add a light egg wash around the outside, then firmly press our mold into the center and add some crumble to the edges. We add some baking beans into the weight, and then we bake these. Once they're done baking, you should be able to lift out the weights very easily. And now we just finished them. So we do a light dusting of icing sugar. Around the outside, we pipe some crème pâtissière into the middle, which, by the way, the recipe is on my page. We add that fresh apple compote, and just wow, the dough is so soft. You get hit with so much flavor and texture from the apples, the crème pâtissière, and that crumble around the outside.